When solving a system of linear equations by graphing, the first thing you want to make sure is that both of the equations are in the slope-intercept form. Since both of our equations are, let's start with the first equation of y equals negative 1/3 x plus 9. We want to graph both of these on the same coordinate grid. So in our first equation, we want to identify our slope and our y-intercept. Our slope, m, is negative 1/3, and our y-intercept, b, is positive 9. The first thing we do to graph this is we want to plot the y-intercept of 9 on the y-axis. So I go to the y-axis and I count out 9 spots. I'm going to put a point at positive 9. Now I perform the slope. So since I have a negative 1 over 3, that means I'm going to go down 1 into the right 3. Down 1 and right 3. You want to try and plot a few points here, that way you get a consistent line. Now that I have my points plotted, I can connect all of those dots and I have my first line graphed. So we're going to repeat the same process but with our second line. So now I have y equals 2x minus 5. I'm going to identify my slope and my y-intercept. Since I have a slope of a whole number 2, remember I can think of that whole number as 2 over 1. And this time my y-intercept is negative 5. We want to start with plotting our y-intercept of negative 5 on the y-axis. So I go down to negative 5 and I put a dot. From there I can do my slope. So up 2, right 1. Up 2 and right 1. You can continue with the slope until it runs in to your other line, or you can just plot a couple points and use the ruler to extend the line out. Now that I have my points, I will connect it with a straight line. Now that I have both lines on the same coordinate grid, their intersection point is going to be my solution. So here our two lines intersect at positive 6 and 7. So our coordinate point 6, 7 is going to be our solution.